Joint ceremonial turnover of used firearms. Just a formal turnover. It is a powerful symbol of our collective desire for a society where the rule of law prevails over the rule of the gun. By voluntarily surrendering these firearms, we are choosing a path of peace and progress. We are proving that security is not found in the possession of weapons, but in the strength of our unity and the stability of our communities. Every firearm removed from the streets is a potential life saved and a step closer to an environment where our children can grow without fear. Our partners in the PNP, the regional government, the OPAPRO, our synergy is our greatest asset. Success of the SALW program is a testament to what we can achieve when the military, the police, and civilian leaders march in the same direction towards the common goal. To the people of Taraca, Bulundo, Tambacan, and Lumba Bayabao, our armed forces remains your partners in peace and development. We are not here just to secure you, but to support the progress of a peaceful and prosperous Bangsamoro. May this ceremony inspire other localities to follow suit. Let us continue to work together to silence the guns and amplify the voices of peace. Congratulations sa ating lahat, and mabuhay tayong lahat. Thank you.